They slept in a cardboard box, in the alley no one looked at. She smiled through hunger, just to feed her baby, even on the worst days. She let him play first, then one day, he didn't move. She carried him and cried all the way there. A stranger saw her and didn't look away. Now they don't dig for food. They share a home with someone who saw their worth. If you believe no life is too small to save, subscribe for stories that matter.